Alright, let's see if I can upgrade the memory on this 16-inch Wacom Mobile Studio Pro. First we gotta turn it over, take the stand off. Actually, there we go. And we need a screwdriver. Tight. There we go. And let's see, we got another one. Done. There's an SSD drive I can replace if I want. It's on there, right? Let's hope it boots. So far so good. And there we are, 32 gigs of RAM. Beautiful. Alright, let's upgrade this 13-inch Wacom Mobile Studio Pro. Put some more memory in. First we gotta remove the stand. Get a screwdriver. Make sure these are all the way undone. Is that it? I guess I need a different memory card. Alright, the 13-inch only has one memory slot, while the 16-inch has two. No upgrade for you.